Good day. My name is Evgenii Kutsenko, and I am the head of the IT Service Outsourcing Center in Odessa. In this video, I would like to tell you about the Gincore software and why I use it. I have been in the electronics repair business for over 5 years, and during this time, I have tried many different accounting solutions. It all started with the most basic Excel, those sheets with various tables. Then I realized that it was time to move on from Excel and started using online audits. But I only thought of this when using Google Docs, where Excel is available. After that, I still felt limited because there were many shortcomings in such an accounting system. Afterward, I used the product ServiceMy and then decided to use 1C. What didn't work for me with ServiceMy was the lack of a proper accounting module, and with 1C, it was like using some kind of spaceship for the needs of a service center. It had too many features, too much complexity, and you practically had to be an accountant, so 1C didn't work out for me. I also didn't like the fact that, in reality, I needed to maintain the service on-site or somewhere nearby, by which I mean a server. This means that in case of any hardware failure, for example, if there's an issue with the hard drive, the entire database could be lost and irretrievable. So, about a month ago, I switched to the Gincore software, and I'm very satisfied with it. First of all, it solved my accounting problem. You can manage accounting that provides clear reports on every job. Secondly, I like that Gincore is online, which means I can access the database and monitor repairs, services, and technicians from the comfort of my home, just by using my home laptop or tablet. Another strong aspect of the online part is that there's no physical tie to hardware. For example, even if there's a flood or a hard drive failure in my office, there's no problem because the entire database is stored in the services cloud. Another thing I liked is the simplicity of the interface. As someone relatively inexperienced in accounting, it was easy for me to understand and use these features. And most importantly, within just a couple of weeks, I was able to teach all of my other staff how to use this software, specifically for accounting. There's also a warehouse module that suits me, allowing me to order parts, ship parts for repairs, and track where each part went. And the last, but quite a strong aspect of why I chose Gincore is technical support. I appreciate that the specialists who promote and maintain Gincore have a quick response time. I would like to give special thanks to Alexander, who leads us and can resolve almost 90% of our requests within a day. That's why I recommend the Gincore software for service centers like mine. We wish you all the best of luck. Goodbye, everyone.